Hey, science enthusiasts! Did you know that the tallest mountain in the solar system is Olympus Mons on Mars, which stands nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest? Amazing, right? Well, if that fun fact got you excited, you're in for a treat. I'm Kai, your host for this ultimate science quiz challenge. Are you ready to test your general science knowledge? Let's get started. Question number 1. Water boils at a higher temperature in higher altitudes. Is it A, true, B, false? It is false. Water boils at lower temperature in higher altitude because of the lower air pressure there. It means that water will boil at lower temperature on mountains than at sea level. Question number 2. Which sense is most closely linked to memory? A, sight, B, touch, C, smell, D, hearing. The correct answer is C, smell. We know you thought it's sight, but sense of smell is more closely linked with memory than any of our other senses. In fact, brain scans show higher brain activity associated with the sense of smell than with visual stimuli. Question number 3. What is the full form of URL? A, Uniform Resource Locator, B, Uniform Resource Link, C, Uniform Registered Link, D, Unified Resource Link. It's A, Uniform Resource Locator. It is a reference to a resource that specifies its location on a computer network and a mechanism for retrieving it. Question number 4. How many milk teeth are there? A, 18, B, 22, C, 20, D, 24. The correct answer is C, 20. Milk teeth comprise 8 incisors, 4 canines, and 8 molars. Question number 5. What is the layer of Earth's atmosphere closest to the surface called? A, troposphere, B, stratosphere, C, mesosphere, D, thermosphere. It's A, troposphere. It is the lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere, extending up to 10 kilometers. Most of the Earth's weather phenomenon, from tornadoes to snowfall, occur here. Question number 6. Which is the most common shape in nature? A, circle, B, triangle, C, hexagon, D, square. The correct answer is C, hexagon. They're nature's favorite shape, popping up everywhere from honeycombs to snowflakes. Question number 7. Which is the biggest land predator? A, Siberian tiger, B, African lion, C, brown bear, D, polar bear. The title goes to polar bear. These giants can weigh up to 600 kilograms and are more than 8 feet in length. Their adaptation to frigid Arctic lands of Alaska, Canada, Russia, Greenland, and Norway requires them to consume a lot of fat, making them the biggest land predator. Question number 8. What is the ability of the human brain to rewire itself called? A, neuroelasticity, B, neurogenesis, C, neuroplasticity, D, neurodivergence. The correct answer is C, neuroplasticity. Also called neural plasticity or brain plasticity, it is the ability of the brain to change and rewire itself in response to learning and experience. Question number 9. The process through which a solid turns into gas directly is called? A, sublimation, B, deposition, C, transpiration, D, condensation. It is called sublimation. Recall how dry ice spontaneously turns into gas, making thick white smoke. Question number 10. What are the tiny building blocks that make up all living things? A, atoms, B, molecules, C, cells, D, organs. The correct answer is C, cells. They're the Lego bricks of life, building everything from tiny critters to towering trees. Question number 11, when does the summer solstice happen in the Northern Hemisphere? A, December 21st or 22, B, June 20th or 21, C, April 19th or 20, D, September 21st or 22. The correct answer is B, June 20th or 21. Summer solstice, the longest day of the year, is mostly observed on 20th or 21st of June in the Northern Hemisphere. For the Southern Hemisphere, the same day is the shortest, and it is the winter solstice there. Question number 12, which is the biggest black hole detected so far in the Milky Way galaxy? A, Cygnus X1, B, Gaia BH3, C, Sagittarius A, D, Gaia BH2. The title goes to Sagittarius A. With a mass of 4.2 million times of the Sun, it is a supermassive black hole right at the center of the Milky Way galaxy and is about 26000 light years from Earth. Question number 13. Which number system do computers follow? A, binary system, B, decimal system, C, octal system, D, hexadecimal system. It's A, binary number system. Computers speak the language of 1 and 0 to store data and perform calculations. Question number 14. What is the opposite of matter? A, ether, B, antimatter, C, void, D, energy. It's option B, antimatter. Call it the evil twin of matter, for when an antimatter and matter meet, they annihilate each other, releasing energy. Examples of antimatter include antineutrons, antiprotons, positrons, to name some. Question number 15. What is the speed of sound in air? A, 243 meters per second, B, 343 meters per second, C, 430 meters per second, D, 500 meters per second. The correct answer is B, 343 meters per second. Racing through the air like a sonic superhero, sound travels much faster in solid materials because of the higher density. Question number 16. What is the largest organ in the human body? A, liver, B, heart, C, skin, D, brain. It's skin. Skin is the largest organ of the human body, serving as a protective barrier against pathogens and regulating body temperature. We can definitely call it our superhero suit. Question number 17, which is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? A, oxygen, B, nitrogen, C, carbon dioxide, D, hydrogen. It's nitrogen. It is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere, comprising about 78% of the air we breathe. Oxygen comes second with 21%, and remaining 1% is a mix of other gases. Question number 18. What is the study of earthquakes called? A, meteorology, B, seismology, C, volcanology, D, geology. The correct answer is B, seismology. It is the scientific study of earthquakes, including their causes, effects, and propagation through the Earth. Question number 19. Which body part makes blood? A, heart, B, lungs, C, liver, D, bone marrow. It's D, bone marrow. It is soft and spongy tissue found in most of the bones and is responsible for producing red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Question number 20. Which is the only metal to exist in liquid state at normal temperature? A, potassium, B, lead, C, mercury, D, tin. The correct answer is C, mercury. At minus 39 degrees Celsius, Mercury has the lowest melting point. So that's the end of this science quiz. Hope you all enjoyed watching and of course answering too. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun quizzes and educational content. See you next time.